Do you, Wiz Ravers, wish to take this beautiful lady for your lawful and wedded wife?
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
See why enough to believe everything we're gonna see and hear upon the internet, because more than likely it will turn out to be fake. So people, just recently Desha Ravers, which is Beenie Man daughter, and Wiz Ravers, which is a dancer from Ding Dong's crew, posted a series of photographs to Instagram which gave the impression that they got married. Now, Unstoppable TV did a video about it and said that that marriage just did not seem real because all of the key factors just never did add up. Like for example, Beenie Man, which is Desha Ravers' father, never post nothing for say, well, congratulations Desha or nothing, or it did not seem like Beenie Man attended a wedding in no way at all. Now after uploading that video, persons went hard on Unstoppable TV saying, yo, them married, stop spread fake news, stop talk about the people them not married, learn to be happy for people and things like that. Now it has come to the light that it was actually fake.
To have and to hold, through sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, till death do you part.
Now people big up to Wiz and Desha Ravers for being creative, because the images they posted to social media was actually for a music video for the song Snapping.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may snap the bride. Stop on this, stop on this, stop!
The song is actually performed by Ding Dong, and the dance move was actually created by Wiz Ravers. So people, that's all it is, a music video. Beenie Man daughter, Desha Ravers, did not get married to Wiz Ravers. Moving on to the next topic. So people just recently started to say that Teddy Brookshot, passed away, but now there is a celebration being organized for Teddy Brookshot on the 18th of October. So let's take a listen to what's going down with that.
October 18th, come out and celebrate the life of Louie Rankin, aka Teddy Brookshot, aka Ox, the original Dun Dada, the legendary Mr. Leonard Ford. District 45 Luxurious Lounge, 1300 Finch Avenue West, east of Keele Street, 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Special performances by Brigadier Jerry, the General from Jamaica, and Downbeat, the Ruler Sound from New York City. Lots of special guest entertainers passing through. Specs, the Boss, Selector, the one and only SPEX, Supreme Jean Selector, Jaffuri, Bigga Boss, Selector Fat Man. Admission $30 before 11 p.m., $40 after 11 p.m. For tickets, call 647-648-8431.
Now viewers, a lot has happened since the passing of Teddy Brookshot, because we see where a lot of controversy sparked on social media due to the fact of GoFundMe account being set up by Teddy Brookshot baby mother. And a lot of persons on social media went hard on the young lady who go by the name Jolie Sykes. Now persons have been commenting and saying, yo, Teddy Brookshot just need to be laid to rest, and so that him can actually rest in peace, and all of this controversy you need to just leave from around him name. We've seen where persons are saying, yo, them violate Teddy Brookshot big time because them disgrace his legacy and stuff like that. But people, the most important thing here is that Teddy Brookshot will be laid to rest, and he will be resting in peace. So if you're a true Teddy Brookshot fan, comment in the comment section, make we know what you think. And guess what? Go out and go support the event that's been organized on the 18th for Teddy. Seeing people, that's what matters right now. So if you really did rate and respect Teddy Brookshot, honor him by supporting this event. See? Well, alright, peeps, start me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole thing. Zane, and guess what? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If you like how we produce the content and the way how we bring under the information, please hit that subscribe button. Totally appreciate it. Zane, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.